Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tic Tech Magazine channel.
Imagine a world where your packages arrive not by a rumbling van blocking your driveway, but by silent, buzzing wings. It sounds like a sci-fi movie intro, right? Imagine a world where what if I told you this isn't some future we're waiting for? It's a quiet revolution happening right now.
Today, we're looking at how drone fleets became the unsung heroes of global logistics. This is the end of the delivery truck as we know it.
In 2026, the last mile, the most expensive and frustrating part of any delivery, is being conquered. From your morning latte to your life-saving prescription, the era of the aerial workhorse is here.
First, let's talk about why this had to happen. If you've ever waited 8 hours for a next-day package that was stuck 2 miles away in traffic, you've experienced the last mile problem. Statistically, the last mile accounts for over 50% of total shipping costs. It's inefficient, it's slow, and it's a carbon nightmare. But in 2026, we've hit the tipping point. Companies like Zipline, Alphabet's Wing, and Amazon Prime Air aren't just doing pilot programs anymore, they are fulfilling thousands of orders a day.
The math is simple. A delivery van costs about $4 per mile to operate in a city. A drone, we're looking at roughly $5 to $10. When you're at Amazon or Walmart, those pennies add up to billions.
But how do they actually do it without crashing into your neighbor's oak tree? The tech in 2026 is light years ahead of the hobbyist drones we saw 5 years ago. This is the Holy Grail. In 2026, regulations finally caught up. Drones now fly miles away from their operators using satellite links and AI navigation. Using LiDAR and computer vision, these drones see power lines, birds, and even kites in real time. They aren't just following a GPS coordinate, they're thinking. We've moved past simple quadcopters. Most 2026 delivery drones are VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing. They take off like a helicopter, but fly like a plane for efficiency.
And the best part? The noise. Engineers have spent years perfecting acoustic signatures, so these things sound more like a light breeze than a swarm of angry bees. So, what does a drone-first city look like? It's not just about speed. It's about specialized logistics. So,
Walmart now reaches over 1.8 million households via drone. In 2026, instant gratification isn't just a marketing buzzword, it's an API call. You drop a pin on your lawn, the drone hovers at 60 feet and winches down your package with surgical precision. It's not all clear skies, though. There are still 3 major hurdles the industry is sprinting to clear.
Wind and heavy rain are still the drone's kryptonite. While 2026 models are all-weather rated, a hurricane will still ground the fleet.
The air traffic mess. How do you manage 500 drones in the same square mile? We're seeing the rise of unmanned traffic management. Think of it as a digital, AI-driven air traffic control tower. Privacy and public trust. People still worry about cameras. In response, 2026 drones use privacy by design, low-resolution sensors that see obstacles but can't distinguish faces.
The delivery truck isn't going to vanish tomorrow, but its role is changing. It's becoming the middle mile and the heavy lifter, while the drones handle the sprint to your door.
We're living through the biggest shift in logistics since the invention of the interstate highway system. The sky is no longer the limit. It's the new delivery lane.
So next time you hear a faint hum above your house, don't look for a bird. Look for your next Amazon package. The future didn't arrive in a truck, it flew in. So next time you hear a faint... Hit that subscribe button. We're tracking the tech that builds the future. See you in the next one.